Hello and welcome to Com 712. It's Quantitative Analysis and Communication. I'm Dr. Spates giving you your weekly checklist. It's week 12, and I just have a few reminders for you. Our assignments are going to continue in SPSS as well as our readings, and then I just have a couple of announcements. I want to get you started by pointing attention to the course readings, chapter 18 and 20 in Wrench. This is going to help you out again with the final SPSS assignment of our four-part kind of assignment here, where we're going to look at regression as well as ANOVA. And so these are fairly short chapters, not as long as some of the other ones, as well as revisiting chapters 5 and 6 in the Cronk book. These will help you again with the step-by-step on completing the regression and the ANOVA analyses. This is the final part of the SPSS four-part assignment. And so I'm going to go ahead and assign homework number 4. It is due next week, April 9th at 11:59 p.m. Again, you can use the RStats helpful videos, and I will be posting my videos. I will continue to do that the day after the assignment is due. So if you want to try to get it done before submitting, you want to use the RStats helpful videos and just look for the correct test that matches what we're looking at that week, as well as use past videos that show you how to break down a hypothesis and a research question, find the correct variables, and also find out which is the right test. There's the cheat sheet available as well, and so you'll hear me continue to refer to that. Check course materials for all of those helpful things. Keep in mind, for those of you who are finishing up, that homework 3 is due today. 11:59 p.m. is the deadline, and then it will disappear. And just go ahead and submit on Blackboard. Other than that, there are no extra assignments this week, but I do want to continue to encourage you to work for collecting data. I know some of you have completed collecting your data, and others of you are very close. If you have questions about getting your survey up and running, or you would like to use the Qualtrics that is available to you, you can contact Josie Melton, and she will be happy to help you. She is assisting me with that, with the construction and distribution of the surveys. And so for those of you who are ready or need your surveys released, I can help with that also, or you can contact Josie again to export your data into SPSS. As always, you can continue to ask questions and email me or set up an appointment. I do want to announce that due to our Central States Regional Communication Conference happening in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, I will only be available by email or Zoom conference from Wednesday through Sunday. So you want to keep that in mind for those of you who would like to meet with me or set up an appointment. I will only be available through email or Zoom conference. I will not be on campus during that time. So you want to keep that in mind for this week. I will be still checking email, so if you do have a question, that's completely fine, but I just want to make sure that you are aware of that. Other than that, continue to keep up the great work. SPSS is challenging, but all of you are doing a great job. If you have questions while you're completing the assignment, continue to ask, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. But thank you all so much for following up with me, setting up appointments. Your assignments as well as your final papers look fantastic, and I'm looking forward to seeing the finished product. Have a great week 12, and I look forward to talking with you again next week. Take care.